Okay, the first location I'm going to show you that has single zero roulette. You probably already noticed that we're at the Strat. The Strat having single zero roulette kind of surprised me because typically they don't have any great deals on gaming, in my opinion. But this is a great deal, and it's one of the few on the Strip. But first, let's look at why you even want to seek out single zero roulette. What's the big deal? Well, here's the comparisons. Single zero roulette is 2.7% house advantage, where 2 zeros is 5.25% house advantage, and 3 is 7.69% house advantage. Just never, ever, ever play 3-0 roulette. There's quite a few of them on the Strip right now and downtown. I'm shocked. I thought we were going the other way. I thought they were going to disappear because people complain so much, but seems like, nope, they're not. They've increased the number. So watch out for them. They're a big scam, and almost always when you see a 3-0 roulette table, you will see a 2-0 roulette table, possibly right next to it, and people don't even look at it. So just be careful on that. So now let's walk first to the Strat. We're going to see some craps tables first, and then we're going to see the single zero roulette table, and then we'll go on to the next one.
Short table. Here's the short table right here, craps. And it is $15. And the regular table is $15. Blackjack, $15. Blackjack, $15. They have a double deck for $25. Now let's see how many zeros we got on here. Three zeros. I don't even want to tell you what it is. Just don't play 3 zeros. Single zero. $25. $25 single zero roulette. That's probably the best bet in the house right there. $10 Texas Hold'em. $25.
The second location is downtown at the Plaza.
Single zero roulette. I knew there was one place that had it. $25 single zero. $25 single zero. That's real good. Ooh, they have roulette in here now. This is the non-smoking area. Single zero roulette. $5 pop-up craps. Good, how are you?
Now this single zero roulette is in the non-smoking area. Makes it even better if you're a non-smoker. it's $25. Now, there are other places besides the Strat and Plaza that you can find single zero roulette, but all the rest of them are in the high limit rooms. I'm only showing you where you can go with ease and without being intimidated. But if you like to go in high limit rooms, you can find single zero roulette in about 5 or 6 more strip properties. I don't know about any other ones downtown, but basically the high limit rooms, you can negotiate anything. So anything's possible in those rooms. Seek it out if you want to play serious roulette. Stay away from the 3 zeros. Always stay away from the 3 zeros.
Yeah, $25 roulette, single zero inside the non-smoking area. And nobody's playing it because nobody knows it's back there.